It's me, Zahra, and this is my channel, Zahra's Magic Zone. Today, guys, I'm playing. First, I'm gonna change my avatar because it's looking weird. Look at my, look, wait, what's wrong? Okay, this is my avatar and edit profile. I have this silly. This is woman torso, woman right arm, woman left arm, woman leg, or whatever I have. Whatever I have, okay? So I just want to change it to make it a cute avatar if my avatar doesn't have. Wait. Nah. It's okay, guys. Sorry, guys. That was awkward. Really awkward. So, guys, I wish that I have Robux. Look, this is a cute. This is a cute girl. It's a girl. I don't know what its name is. Oh, what's wrong? What? I'm now a noob. Wait. Wait, guys. Okay, now let's make it free. Why am I clicking there? Okay, pick the avatar. Are you serious, me? Where's the avatar? I want to see this. It's just that? I'm not gonna buy this. Because you make me a noob. Delete. I'm gonna buy it. Oh my gosh. What was that? Ew. I'm gonna delete it. Delete. I don't want it. It's so expensive. It's so expensive. I don't want it. Delete. I don't want it. Put free. I'm gonna put free in it. Okay, guys. Oh. Free, okay. Oh, I'm so bored. This is not my Okay, guys, if you want to see my face, it's here. Now, free. F-E. Wait. Oh, it's free. Okay? It's only free. Okay, guys. It's F-R-E-E. Okay, just free. Just free. Okay? What did I do? Oh. Cindy, it's free. Okay. What is wrong? I'm gonna put this too. Hey, one, both of them. Okay, I'm just gonna be like this. For summer. Free characters. Okay, I know free characters. That's so boring. Free character. Guys, I'm lying on my bed and resting. Long. Ew. No, I don't want that. I love puppies. Not for that. It's just that looks weird. Wait, what? I don't want that. Delete. I want this. I'm gonna be the Roblox girl. I'm gonna be a Roblox. I don't know why I wanna be a Roblox. Okay, I just wanna wear this. Yes. It's free. Where did I get that? Okay, it's done. Bilirim. I wanna see this. What? I want free heads. Oh, I want sweaters. I want sweaters. What? Style Stars blush. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna pick that. I'm gonna pick that. Guys, I'm gonna pick that. Okay.
صباح الخير.
صباح الخير. Okay, guys, I want this. Doesn't work. Oh no. This is my favorite. Potato anime face. It's sushi. What I didn't. Anime eyes? What? I didn't understand anything. Okay. What's this? I'm gonna put it on my face. Never. Oh, I have to. Free cute. Cute. Okay. Done. Wait. Okay, free. I want to put free cute. Oh, guys, sorry.